Alright you guys, so this is how the llama looks after I'm finished adding all the balloons and, you know, little fine details like the mink lash. Do you see that? Do y'all see that? Period. Okay, so I do not have any weights on the bottom and it's not leaning against the wall, so I guess you can say it can work without weights. But if you put it outside, you definitely have to add some weights at the bottom because, you know, wind and stuff like that. But it's inside and it's not leaning against the wall and it's holding up pretty well. I'm really surprised about that. And the siding is not as sturdy as foam board, so when you're adding balloons, you just have to make sure that your sizing is on point and it's not too big because it'll definitely push the siding out. So you just have to make sure that you get all your sizes of the balloon on point, and then you won't have any problem. But it was really fun to put together. I'm gonna give you guys an update on how it works or how it looks after I remove the balloons. I'm gonna try to remove the balloons like later on this week, and then I'll let you guys know if it is reusable or it's just a one-time thing. But so far I like it and I want to know if you guys are gonna try it. So let me know in the comment section if you guys are gonna buy it and try it, or you're just going to stick with using your foam board and making them from scratch. But as always, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and if it's something else that you'd like me to review, please let me know and I will try to get that done. Like this video, leave me some comments in the comment section, and I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Bye.